Don't be discouraged. As a minister, I always want a full crowd. But don't be discouraged. Even with small numbers, a lot of things can happen, and I know that personally. I'm sure some of you in here know that as well. So it doesn't take a lot. It takes the ones that God's calling to stir the pot, stir the drink. And so, we just need to get the word out. I'm not saying anything that most of you don't know. I believe that we're at a crossroads in our country, and it could go either way. It's in the balance. Ben Shapiro, some of you might know who he is, Harvard graduate, and he said if you look at the universities, you will see the next generation of our Congress. And so what they've been producing in our universities for quite some time is a socialistic idea. In our universities and colleges, I escaped a few of them, so I know I used to have to debate some of these professors and get some bad marks because of that. But, we got to keep the fight up, right? We got to be diligent, stay informed, be able to articulate our position. And I want to just recommend a few books or a few authors, I should say, that you can read that will help you in this quest. Thomas Sowell, Dr. Sowell, I don't know if y'all know him. I've been reading his works for 20 years. And he, in my opinion, and many others, I think he's the most intellectual guy in America today. His story, it's quite remarkable. He was born in Brooklyn on a fire escape and did not know his father. His mother was a prostitute, and he said they went from project to project while she turned tricks with different guys. And that's what he grew up with. So when he was of age, he looked around Brooklyn, and he said to himself, I'm not going to live this way. We don't have to live a certain way because of our environment. Now, that has an influence, don't get me wrong. But how many of you know we're not victims, we're victors? And so what he did when he became of age, he went into the Army, got his education, and from his education went on to Berkeley, he's a professor of economics. He works now for the Hoover Institute think tank, and he has written, I don't know how many books. I'll give you one book by Dr. Thomas Sowell. It's called The Basics of Economics. And it's heavily documented, of course, being a PhD. And it destroys socialism. I mean, he puts it on its head. Now, he's got many other works that I would recommend for you to read. Another one that really had an impact on my life 20 years ago was Ethnic America. Ethnic America. And if you get that book, I guarantee it'll change your whole perspective of being an American. I promise you it will. Let me give you one example. Did you know globally there's no such thing as a minority? We're talking about global geographics. Almost all ethnicities are about 15%. 15% Asians, 15% whites, Africans, and so forth. So it's somewhat of a myth to say there's minorities. Now, there is geographical minorities. Give you an example. When I and Johnny and a few others of us went to Nigeria, we were white dots in a black sea. It wasn't hard to pick us out, believe me. But we were a minority in that situation. But that doesn't mean globally that there is a minority. There is geographically, of course. Class warfare. They want to do this to destroy what's within our principles and our values that are from within. Candace Owens. How many of you know who Candace Owens is? Beautiful black woman, articulate, educated. She just gave one of the best speeches I've ever heard at CPAC. The 1982 at the CPAC was Ronald Reagan, the founding pastor of this church, sat right next to President Reagan. That was Dr. Buddy Hicks, my spiritual father, the founder of this church. Just to give you a little bit of history about Life Springs, we've always had a foundation on these kinds of things, of dealing with these evils that are in our society. There's a saying, if outlandish statements go without, being dealt with, it becomes a law that will harm and hurt people. Challenge, yes. So I wanted to give that background, and plus I'm giving a little bit of filler here because we said we were going to start at 10, and maybe it might be a few more that will pop in. I don't want to take up Ogla's time. But Dr. Soul, get on YouTube and listen to Candace Owens. You will hear one of the most articulate black women that's leading blacks into conservatism. She is a gem. She is a peach. She'll fire you up. And she said something that was interesting. She said this is how she's leading a black young movement out of the liberal left, Democratic Party, into conservatism. She said, I simply tell them the truth. There's a lot of redaction in history, and we need to know and be aware of that. People that write history, they're not always accurate. So I don't know how many of you read my last article. It's like for instance, the lithograph of Washington going across the Delaware River in front. Now, you can't see this because it's a lithograph, but there were 2 black soldiers. And a lot of people don't know that. There were a lot of black soldiers that fought with the Continental Army. How many of y'all seen the painting with George Washington, and there's a black man holding the reins of his horse, right? And George Washington is off looking over the landscape. Now, because of the condition that we've had in our public schools, most people would go, that must be George Washington's valet. He was a full-birth colonel in a Continental Army. And he was an advisor to George Washington. How many of y'all, maybe some of you know that, some of you don't. Another author is David Barton. How many of you know David Barton with Wall Builders? David Barton has got some of the most extensive research on American history than anybody. So I want to encourage you to get a hold of these people, because an uneducated people can be deceived. But if we're educated, you can give. If you notice, the left, all they do is make names. They really don't have any context, they don't have any substance, and they don't have any content. So what do? You're a homophobe. Now, Candace Owens, for instance, is a black lady. You know what they were calling her? A racist, a sexist, a homophobe, and a Nazi. And I like her response. She said, yeah, I fit that, don't I? Being black, white Aryan, the white Aryan race, But she is a strong woman. I'm letting you know these things so that you can get educated, be informed, and also to support these. Jay Sekulow, how many of you know who Jay Sekulow is? I support him, his organization. these people need to be supported because they're fighting on the front lines for us. Jay Sekulow is one of the lawyers for Trump. But he's been in Washington going to the Supreme Court for many, many, many years, defending the rights of the unborn. And that's what I love about Jay Sekulow, of him defending the rights of the unborn. So anyway, we got to get educated, right? And hopefully God will, His Spirit will stir us up, get out there and be able to give some substance and content. I want to share something else. If you agree with my article, you don't have to, that's fine. I'm not going to lose any sleep over it. But if you agree with it, please share. Because I spend about 30 to 40 hours every week just to document about a 1,500-word document. Because I don't want to just put my random thoughts out there, though I could, but I'm not going to do that. It's heavily documented. And so what I'm saying, I want to make sure that, they already have, they kick back and say, well, I'm an idiot and I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, well, I get that from my relatives. So anyway, I just want to, that share button is easy to do. You'd be surprised how much power is in that share button. You'd be surprised. So I want to, if you agree with my articles of what I've been writing, then I'm asking you to share it. If not, that's okay. It's all right. It's okay to disagree. Well, I think we've given everybody enough time. Hopefully, we've gotten everybody that needs to be here. I want to introduce and welcome our guest, Ogla. I met her several years ago in Venezuela. We were there several months after Chavez was assassinated. Johnny was with me. He was a target because he was so tall. But we had a wonderful time there at Ogla's church. We made some deep friends, good friends. I'm glad you're here, your second visit with us. Now, she knows what socialism is about, communism. I mean, there's 23 states in Venezuela. 22 of them don't have electricity anywhere from 24 to 48 hours at a stretch. I thought that was only in Nigeria. But we've been in the grocery stores, and we've seen the empty shelves. See, when you're sitting over here in America and you want to romance socialism while you're eating your Twinkie bar, right? It's a different story when you put yourself there in Venezuela and you don't have any bread on the table. You can't even go down to the store and get cooking oil. So our young people in our universities, God bless them, they need to wake up and realize this ideology does not fit what God has created us for. This doesn't fit. So, Ogla, we welcome you. She's a voice in Venezuela. She's an apostle in Venezuela. Her husband, 9 years ago, right? In June, will be 10 years. Her husband was assassinated. She knows what socialism is, communism. I don't care what it is. Ism, any ism, it's still thievery. Let's welcome Ogla. Let's get a table up here.
For what?
Hi. It's good to see you again. And it is good to share. with you again. I'm very glad for this invitation. And I really enjoyed last time here. It was a blessing for me, and the prophetic words I received were very good words, not only for me, but for our congregation. So I'm really thankful. And I have a new translator. It's sometimes better for me to express.
Yes.
Okay. I want to give you just some things before, and you can translate it.
Best I can.
Es una reseña muy corta.
It's going to be a very small lecture.
No, idea.
It's going to be a very small idea
Que necesitan saber.
that you all need to know.
Y en mayo de 2018
In May of 2018,
se convocaron a unas elecciones en Venezuela,
they had a election in Venezuela.
y esas elecciones estaban fuera del tiempo previsto.
They were out of season for the voting time.
Es bueno saber que el departamento que dirige las elecciones
The department that does direct the voting sessions,
está controlado totalmente por el gobierno.
it is controlled by the government.
Y en las 14 elecciones,
In the 14th election,
ellos siempre han ganado
they have always won
porque ellos han movido el sistema de tal forma
because they move the system in such a way
que siempre ganan.
that they always win.
Aun cuando tú votas en contra,
And when you vote against them,
ellos tienen un sistema
they have a system
que cuenta tu voto a su favor.
that they count their vote, your vote towards them.
Pero el año pasado,
But last year,
aproximadamente 80%
approximately 18%, well, 80%,
no de la población
not from the population,
no votó.
they did not vote.
Y aún así,
And also by that,
el resultado de las elecciones
the result of this election,
es como que 13 millones de personas habían votado.
it's as if 300,000 voted. Did I say million?
13 million
13 million
habían votado.
had voted.
Y en esa forma Maduro se convirtió en presidente
And in that way, that's how the president became the president
por segunda vez.
for the second time.
Pero en esta ocasión
But in this situation,
ellos ya no permitieron veedores internacionales,
they did not allow
seers, international seers.
international seers.
Ajá. Entonces, 50 países
50 countries
no aprobaron esa elección
did not approve that election.
y lo decretaron como corrupta o ilegal.
And they discredited it as corrupted.
Un poco antes de ese tiempo, un
A
poco
little bit
después,
before that time,
se había elegido un organismo
they had
que es la Asamblea Nacional,
they had formed
National Assembly.
the National Assembly.
Y este organismo fue elegido legalmente.
And this organization was done legally.
Y en este momento,
And at this moment,
la figura legal en Venezuela
the figure, legal figure
en
in
Venezuela
Venezuela
es la Asamblea Nacional.
is the National Assembly.
Y en nuestra Constitución
In our Constitution,
establece
it is established
que cuando hay usurpación o ilegalidad,
the illegal,
el presidente es ilegal,
the illegal president,
entonces el presidente
and then the president
de la Asamblea Nacional
from the National Assembly
es la persona legal
is the legal person
para estar como presidente en la nación.
to be president of that nation.
El artículo 233 de la
The-
Constitución,
The Article 233
de la
of the
Constitución,
Constitution
establece
establishes
que cuando hay ilegalidad
that when there's illegal
en,
activity
en la elección,
in the election,
entonces el presidente de la Asamblea Nacional
then the president of the National Assembly,
tiene la obligación,
he has the obligation.
no es una opción,
It's not an option.
él tiene que hacerlo,
He has to do it.
tiene que proclamar
He has to proclaim
la ilegalidad de ese presidente
the illegality of that president
y para él poder hacer una transición
so
en
that
el
he can
país.
do a transaction in that
Transition
in that nation,
y poder llamar a elecciones nuevamente.
and that he can call a new election.
Pero en el caso de Venezuela,
But in the case of Venezuela,
que empezó como un socialismo,
that began as a socialism,
que es la parte bonita
That is
del
a-
comunismo,
that is a beautiful part of socialism, communism,
porque entra de una manera suave
because it enters in a beautiful way,
pero va deteriorando progresivamente
but it starts to deteriorate in progression.
todas las áreas de la nación,
All the areas of the government, of the nation.
educación,
Education,
salud,
the health,
la economía,
economy,
la empresa
in the factories,
e
businesses, industry.
Todo se va deteriorando
Everything begins to deteriorate.
y eso hace que también el bienestar de la gente se deteriore.
And it also causes the thoughts and way of thinking of the people to deteriorate.
Y, el bienestar.
The well-being, the well-being of the people.
Ajá. Y después de ese tiempo del año pasado,
And after this time, last year,
la otra cosa que establece la Constitución
the other thing that establishes in the Constitution,
es que la forma legal
the legal form,
para que en este caso Guaidó,
that in this case,
el señor Guaidó, el
the
presidente
Guaido,
Guaidó,
the President Guaido,
se proclamara,
for him to proclaim himself,
tiene que ser en un cabildo abierto.
he has to do it in an open forum,
Y ese día,
And in that day,
el 23 de enero de este año,
the 23rd of January,
se convocó a una marcha,
he had a march.
Se convocó a una marcha y en todas las ciudades del país,
In all the
las ciudades
cities,
importantes,
in all the important cities of the nation
a la misma hora.
at the same time.
Y creo que es la primera vez en 20 años
It is the first time in 20 years
que hay una multitud gigantesca en todo el país al mismo tiempo.
that there has been such a gigantic multitude in the whole nation at the same
Ríos
time.
de gente.
There were rivers of people,
Y él estaba en Caracas.
and he was in. He was in Caracas, in the city, the capital of Venezuela.
Y allí
And there-
se entiende
And it's understood
que es el cabildo abierto más grande en toda la historia de Venezuela.
It has been the biggest group of meeting that he's had that has ever been in the country, in the history of Venezuela.
Y es en esa posición
And it's in that position
donde él hace la declaración
that where he has made this declaration
basado en el artículo 233
based on the Article 233,
y toda la población
and all the publication,
aceptó esa proclamación.
they accepted the proclamation.
Nosotros como venezolanos
And us, like Venezuelans,
sabemos
we know
que es legal esa acción
that is legal in Venezuela
porque está dentro de la Constitución Nacional.
because it is in the Constitution of Venezuela.
¿Y qué fue lo que Guaidó declaró?
And what is it that Guaidó declared?
Él está haciendo la solicitud
And he is making the solicitation
de la salida
of the coming out
de un presidente que está ilegal.
of a president that was there illegally.
Está también declarando la emergencia nacional.
He's also declaring national emergency.
Está haciendo la solicitud de ayuda humanitaria.
He is also soliciting humanitarian
Help.
help.
Ajá. Y está pidiendo un cese, que se termine la hostilidad.
And he is also saying
Asking-
hostility to end.
¿Por qué hostilidad?
Why hostility?
Porque en este momento no puedes hablar nada
Because at this moment you cannot say anything.
y cualquier cosa que se pueda convertir en una amenaza para ellos,
And whatever is formed as a threat to them,
ellos ponen a las personas en la cárcel.
they will put people in jail.
Hay muchísima gente en la cárcel
There are a lot of people in jail.
y hay muchos activistas políticos en la cárcel
And there are a lot of activists in jail at this moment
de la oposición.
from this position.
Y
Opposition.
últimamente muchos jóvenes
A lot of young people
y de estudiantes,
and students,
porque la gente se ha ido cansando.
because the people have gotten tired.
Entonces los jóvenes quieren algo distinto
The young people want something distinctive.
y quizás eso lo pueda explicar mejor luego.
See? And she can probably explain that later.
Y la última cosa
And
que
the
él
last
está
thing
pidiendo
that he is asking,
es convocar a nuevas elecciones.
he wants to have new elections.
De acuerdo a la ley,
According to the law,
Guaidó no puede ser el presidente por un periodo de tiempo largo.
Guaidó cannot be the president for a certain period of time,
Y él lo sabe.
and he knows it.
Y hasta este momento,
At this moment,
él no pretende serlo.
and he does not pretend to be.
Él sabe que su posición es temporal.
He knows that his position is temporary.
Entre tanto que el orden llega.
As far as when the order comes.
Pero por causa de la situación,
But because of the situation,
probablemente ese tiempo se alargue un poco más,
probably the time will be a little bit longer
porque el grupo de los gobernantes
because the group of the government group,
ya no tienen a la población, a la gente con ellos.
they don't want the people with them. They don't have the people with them, backing them up.
Pero algunos dicen que hay unos 18 generales
They say that there are about 18 generals
que son fuertes,
that are very strong,
que controlan al ejército,
that control the military, the army.
y estos 18
And these 18 generals,
que son muy cercanos al presidente, a Maduro,
they are very close to the president,
están involucrados en todos los asuntos de corrupción.
and they are involved in every possible aspect of corruption.
y de narcotráfico
and all the drug trafficking
y de terrorismo.
and terrorism.
Y están haciendo, explotando,
And they are exploiting.
no solamente acabaron con PDVSA, la industria de petróleo,
They're not only corrupting the oil,
sino que
Companies.
ahora están explotando la minería,
and also the minerals,
sobre todo por un mineral
just simply for one mineral
llamado coltán.
named coltan.
Coltán es uno de los elementos claves
And they are one of a key mineral
para fabricar bombas nucleares.
to fabricate nuclear arms.
Y Venezuela tiene
And they have a large
mucho
amount.
coltán. Entonces, en este momento,
And at this moment,
es sumamente importante
it is very important
para nosotros
for us
que el mundo entienda
that the world understands
que la situación de Venezuela
that the situation in Venezuela,
no es solo una situación de un país,
it is not only the problem of Venezuela,
sino que es una situación de un continente.
it's a situation of the whole continent.
Y los países comunistas
And the communist countries
que se han fortalecido en los últimos años,
that have gotten very strong throughout the years,
que es el caso de Rusia,
that is the case of Russia.
China tiene mucho que ver en Venezuela,
China has a lot to do with Venezuela
porque Venezuela tiene agua
because Venezuela has water
y tiene petróleo.
and it has oil.
Y los convenios, los negocios con China,
And the businesses with China
le han estado dando el petróleo que necesitan en los últimos años.
the oil that has been needed has been given to China,
A ellos no les conviene
and to them it's not convenient for them
que Venezuela pueda salir de esta
that
situación,
Venezuela comes out of this situation
porque es un continente.
because it is a continent.
Pero nosotros creemos
But we believe
que este es un tiempo para que todas las cosas cambien.
that everything can change.
Y aunque no es como tal el tema,
And even though it is not such as
the topic of the theme,
the topic of the theme,
es importante saber
it's important to know
que la Iglesia de Jesucristo
that the Church of Christ,
juega un papel muy importante
they play a very important part
en el destino y en la vida de una nación.
in how a nation comes to be and what is to become of it.
Nosotros somos vistos como una fuerza muy débil
We have been seen as a very weak force
porque la religión ha agarrado, ha arropado a la iglesia.
because religion has encapsulated the church.
Pero cuando nosotros entendemos que somos un factor de influencia,
But when we understand that we are a big factor of influence,
que Dios ha establecido para que se manifieste en lo natural,
that God has established us to manifest itself in the natural,
es porque nuestro fundamento,
it's because our foundation is
nuestra autoridad,
our authority.
está en lo espiritual.
It is in the spiritual.
Viene de la mano del Señor.
It comes with the hand of God.
Y porque nosotros somos los llamados
And because we are the called
a establecer ese gobierno divino
to establish that government
que puede enfrentar
that can confront
los dioses
the gods
que quieren operar sobre nuestras
that wants
naciones.
to operate over our nations.
Y este es el tiempo
And this is the time
para que nosotros no solamente enfrentemos esos dioses
that we don't just confront these gods
como la gente autorizada por Dios,
like the people that are authorized and have the authority,
sino que también nos convirtamos en la voz
that we also become the voice
para poder confrontar a las naciones,
to confront the nations as well.
que como decía el obispo,
And as
Bishop.
the bishop said,
que nuestros jóvenes,
that our young people
que nuestras nuevas generaciones,
in this new generation,
pero que también el resto de la iglesia, de la gente,
but also the rest of the church
puedan abrir los ojos en un
Can-
tiempo como este,
can open their eyes in this time.
porque el propósito de Dios continúa,
because the purpose of God continues.
pero nosotros somos su voz,
But we are His voice.
somos sus brazos,
We are His
y Él
arms.
quiere que nos convirtamos en sus ojos
And He wants us to become His eyes
para
as
poder
well,
establecer su reino.
so we can establish His kingdom.
Y yo creo a Dios por Venezuela,
And I believe in God for Venezuela,
igual como creo a Dios por esta nación.
like I believe in God for this nation.
Estados Unidos en este momento
The United States in this moment,
es un país muy importante,
it is a very important,
no solamente para el mundo,
not only for the world,
pero por lo que puede representar para este continente,
but what they can represent for this continent.
porque a menos
Because in as much as
que haya una presencia
that there is a presence
de las naciones
of the nations
juntas
together
para erradicar, para sacar
to eradicate and to take out
esta raíz de comunismo
this root of communism
que persiste en Cuba,
that persists in Cuba,
salga de nuestro continente.
that get out of our continent.
Lo necesitamos urgentemente
We need them urgently,
y nosotros necesitamos entenderlo. Por
when
eso
we need to understand this.
tenemos una gran responsabilidad.
We have a very big responsibility.
Es terrible que no podamos entender las bendiciones
It's terrible that we don't understand the blessings,
y es terrible que nosotros no podamos crecer
and it's terrible that we can't grow
en medio de las crisis.
in the midst of the crisis.
Y la tarea de la iglesia
And the job of the church,
ha sido el reto mejor, el
it has
reto
been the best job,
el challenge
the best challenge
de la iglesia
of the church.
ha sido tener que crecer
It's to grow
y madurar
and to mature
en medio de toda esta hostilidad
in the midst of all this hostility,
y mantener el foco
and to keep
en el propósito que Dios tiene para nuestras
our mind on
naciones.
what God has for us.
Y yo creo a Dios por eso.
And I believe in God for this.
Y creo que por eso estamos aquí también.
And I believe that this is why we're here.
Porque en este momento
Because in this moment,
los Estados Unidos
the United States,
están siendo plagados, están
they are
siendo
being plagued,
invadidos
and they're being
de una manera suave.
in a very, they're being forced into a very smooth way.
No se están dando cuenta
They're not even noticing
que ya hay musulmanes dentro del gobierno
that there's a lot of Muslim people in the government.
y que hay gente llena de mucho resentimiento.
And there's a lot of people with a lot of resentment.
Y ellos están haciendo esto sigilosamente
They are doing it psychologically,
porque su objetivo es
silently.
su objetivo
Their objective is
Estados Unidos.
the United States.
Si ellos pueden tener Estados Unidos,
If they can have the United States,
ellos no solo van a tener al continente,
they're not only going to have the continent,
ellos pueden controlar al mundo.
they can control the world.
Porque Estados Unidos es una gran influencia.
Because the United States is a great
En el mundo
influence
hoy.
in the whole world.
Y no soy política,
And I'm not a politician,
pero yo creo que en este momento
but I believe in this moment,
Dios ha colocado a un Ciro,
God has created a circle.
un Ciro, un rey,
A king. God has set a king.
as Ciro,
A seal?
Ciro, the rey, the king Ciro,
A
in
seal, okay.
Isaiah 45. Y yo creo que Dios puso un Ciro en esta nación.
And I believe that God put a seal on this nation.
No es una persona común,
It's not a commune thing.
no es un político,
It is not a political.
pero es alguien que está orientado
He has been chosen. He is this. Are you speaking of a person? This person has been directed
para hacer que las cosas pasen
to see that things happen,
y no le importa si es popular o no.
and he doesn't care if it's popular or not.
Y nuestro gran problema
And our great problem is
es que con los políticos,
with the politicians,
ellos quieren estar bien con todos
they want to be okay with everybody.
y quieren estar bien con ellos mismos,
And they want to be okay with themselves.
pero no les importa la gente.
But they don't care about people.
Pero Dios tiene planes mayores que los nuestros.
But God has major plans
Y
better
en
than that.
este momento,
And in this moment,
el continente
the continent
empezó a cambiar,
started to change.
pero Venezuela
But Venezuela
es un país clave.
is a enslaved country.
It's a key. It's a
Oh,
key.
it's a key nation
Es una nación clave porque está en el norte de la América del Sur.
because it is in the north of America.
Está ubicado estratégicamente.
It's strategically placed.
Muchas riquezas.
There's a lot of richness.
Y en este momento
And in this moment,
es quizás
maybe
uno de los países más atrasados
one of the nations very far behind
por causa del socialismo
because of socialism
y por causa de lo que se convirtió
and because of what converted
una raíz de muerte
a root of death
para una nación.
for a nation that was there.
Así que creo que tenemos una gran oportunidad.
We have a great opportunity.
Ustedes tienen una gran
You have a great
oportunidad
opportunity,
y no podemos despreciarla.
and we can't hate it or dislike it
Porque es es el futuro de nuestros hijos.
because it's the future of our children.
Amén.
Amen.
¿Cuán dañino es el socialismo?
Say that again.
¿Cuán dañino, cuán malo?
Oh, Juan Gañino.
Ajá. ¿Cuán peligroso
How dangerous
es el
is
socialismo?
socialism?
Solo dicho en sencillo,
It's only told in the simple way,
destruye nuestras generaciones.
but it does destroy our generations.
Te roba tu futuro
It robs your future,
y te quita todas las oportunidades.
and it takes every opportunity away from you
Porque falsamente
because it falsely,
ellos hablan de igualdad,
they talk about equality,
pero no hay igualdad.
but there is no equality.
Ellos dicen todos reciben lo mismo.
And they say everybody receives the same.
Sí, todos en la población
Everybody in the
reciben
publicity.
un paquete de harina
Everybody receives one package
cada
of flour
mes o cada cuanto
every
que ellos lo
month
quieran traer.
or whenever they bring it.
Muchas veces
Many times,
esa comida
that food
que viene de otros
that
países
comes from other countries
llega podrida,
comes all rotten.
llega mala.
It comes bad.
Y en este momento
And in this moment,
el venezolano
the Venezuelan,
en promedio
in the middle of,
ha perdido 20 kilogramos.
they have lost 20 milligrams, 40 pounds,
Más o menos.
more or less.
Y mucha gente
And many people
va a comer
goes and eats
de las bolsas de basura
from the trash cans
y de los camiones de basura.
and the trucks, the trash trucks,
Porque no hay hambre.
because they're hungry.
Y en este instante,
And at this instance,
el salario de un trabajador,
the salary of one worker,
por causa de la devaluación,
because of the devaluation,
está en $6.
is in $6.
No puedes comprar ni siquiera un paquete de huevos.
You can't even buy a package of eggs.
Pero el costo del todo
But the cost of everything
está a precio de dólar,
is a price of $1,
como que fueras al mercado aquí.
as if you went to the grocery store here.
No puedes comprar,
You can't buy,
no puedes comer,
you can't eat,
no puedes vivir
you can't live
con $6
with
en
$6
los Estados Unidos.
in the United States.
Es terrible.
It's terrible.
La destrucción de la industria de energía,
The, dis,
the destruction
the destruction of the industry,
de la energía.
of the energy.
La mayoría de la gente no paga la luz, no paga energía,
The majority of the people don't pay their bills of the energy for the energy for their
porque todo
house
está loco.
because everything's crazy.
La gente no paga por, pues, agua,
They don't pay for the water,
y en este momento
and at this moment
no está pagando la gasolina.
they aren't paying for the gasoline.
Pero la razón por la que no lo paga,
But the reason that they don't pay for it
porque no tiene cómo.
because they don't have
Y
a
si
way
ellos
to.
se quieren mantener,
And if they need to survive,
ellos no van a cargar por eso.
they're not going to care about that.
Pero hay que hacer filas,
But they have to make lines, files,
incluso para la gasolina,
including to put gas in their
muchas
vehicles,
veces de 2, 3 días.
sometimes 2 to 3 days.
Y en la frontera
And right in the edge of the
puede
country,
ser una semana
it can be about 1 week
para poner un tanque de
just to
gasolina.
fill up your gas tank.
Así que, y con estos casi 2 días,
And sometimes in 2
sin
days,
energía,
without any energy,
los carros no pudieron poner gasolina
the cars can't move without it
porque funciona con electricidad.
because it functions with electricity.
Es muy terrible.
It's such a terrible thing.
Pero todo empezó
But it all began
con un hambre
with a hunger
por la rebelión
for rebellion
y por hacer lo que yo quiero.
and to do whatever I want to do.
Y su manera de atraer a la gente
And the way to bring the people
es hablando de libertades.
and they speak about liberty and freedom.
Para ellos la igualdad
To them, equality is
es que todos tengan oportunidades.
that everybody has opportunity.
Pero ¿sabes cuánta gente en Venezuela
But you know how many people in Venezuela
recibe dinero todos los meses
receives money every month
por ir a matar personas?
to go and kill people?
Ellos son llamados colectivos,
They are called collectors.
collective.
Collective.
Son como
Like a gang,
Ajá.
like a gangster.
Ellos tienen armas
They have firearms.
y ¿qué es lo que ellos predican primero?
And what is it that they preach first of all?
Ellos no quieren armas en la gente,
They don't want any weapons in the people. That's what they talk about a lot about.
pero luego el gobierno
But then the government
les da armas
gives these people the arms
a gente que ellos entrenan.
that they train to do this type of work.
¿Y quién entrena?
And who do they train?
En Venezuela,
In Venezuela,
Hezbollah.
Hezbollah. Oh, Hezbollah. Okay.
Hezbollah.
Hezbollah.
IELN en español. ELN in Spanish.
Okay. The guerrillas that
Es
group.
guerrilla colombiana. Y también hay una parte de la FARC. FARC es guerrilla colombiana.
That's the name of the gang. The FARC is the name of the gang. The guerrilla gang, I guess. It's something like the gangs that we have here, like the Bloods and the Crips.
Ellos están entrenando
They are being trained,
gente joven
young people,
y a estos colectivos,
and these people, the collective,
y ellos salen
and they go out
y ellos intimidan a la
and
gente.
they intimidate the people.
Y si ustedes, alguno llegó a ver noticias
And if any of you have heard the news,
ahorita la frontera,
right in the edge of the country,
ellos
the border, they came out.
salieron a matar gente, no importa si era un niño, si era un joven o
They
un
didn't
anciano.
care if they were children or who they were, they just killed them.
Puedo pasar el día aquí diciendo,
I can
hablando,
be here the whole day telling you,
pero eso es comunismo.
but that is communism.
es una plaga
It's a plague
sobre nuestras naciones.
over our nations.
Bishop.
So, yeah. Mary Lou did a great job. Yeah. Mary Lou, put her on the spot.
Dale el bebé ahí.
So, anybody have any questions? We're going to have up here. You just come up here if you don't mind, and just so we can get this recorded. Pull that up, please. So, if anybody has any questions, come on up. Direct them at Oakland and all that turtle.
She said she'd take over anytime.
Are you ready to take over? So, is anybody lost on what Oakland was saying?
No, sir.
You got El Presidente of the National Assembly. That's
Microphone.
Thank you. Like I'm back home with Mom. But that's Juan Guaido.
Guaidó.
And then you have Madero, and there's been this conflict between the two you've been hearing in the news. And this is what she's talking about. So he's a interim or temporary president because of the elections in 2018 from Madero were deemed as illegal.
Yes.
So under their Article 233, I just read that this morning, by the way, they had the constitutional right, the President of the National Assembly, to recall an election, a new election. And that's the fight. That's what's going on right now.
Yes.
So I just primed the pump. Y'all come on up and ask anything you want. I got a question. So this is, how did you get a visa to get here?
To come here? No. No. Sí, ¿cómo obtuve la visa? Normal, yo fui al consulado.
So she went to the embassy 10 years ago.
Sí.
Yeah.
Y he sido cumplida con cada vez que vengo.
And every time I come, I make things correct.
Sí. No he estado incluso menos del tiempo que ellos me establecen.
Even I've been here less of the time they order me to be here.
Y para la embajada es muy importante
And for the embassy, it's very important
cuando ellos ven que no eres un posible inmigrante.
when they notice that you aren't, that you are
I'm
not
not
going
an
to
immigrant.
become an immigrant here.
Ajá. Eso.
I have another. Tell us what the exchange rate is. For my exchange rate.
La rata de inflación.
Venezuela, Bolívar.
¿Cómo está la inflación
Sí.
en Venezuela?
No es inflación, es hiperinflación.
Right now, we are not talking about inflation. We are talking about hyperinflation in
Es
Venezuela.
1,000,000%.
It's 1,000%.
No,
1,000,000,000%.
Y ellos, algunos especialistas,
And some specialists
creen que para final de este año
believe that at the end of this year,
va a ser 39,000,000%.
it's going to be 39,000,000%. Yes, it's entre dólar
y el bolívar.
y el, yes, it's the relation made of a dollar and a bolívar.
Ellos han quitado a la moneda
They have taken out
Hasta
to
este-
the
hasta este
currency
momento.
until this moment
8 dígitos.
8 digits.
El año pasado
Last year
ellos quitaron 5
they took out 5
y
digits.
2 años antes
And 2 years before
le quitaron 3.
took out 3 digits.
Y si ellos continúan
And if they continue
en agosto de este año,
in August of this year, if they continue in power,
ellos quitarían otra vez,
they were going to take out
creo que 3 o 5 más.
about 3 or 5,
Tres.
3 to 5 digits to the currency. So what right now a dollar?
3.700.
Right now, so for you to make the relation, a dollar is 50,000 million of bolivars. Putting all the digits together.
My question is, when you were talking about America and how important America is to the whole continent, and it appears that you see that we are facing the same kind of problems, and we need to do something about it to prevent, it's not just America that is at risk, but a lot of nations are at risk if we don't do something. What can we do? That would be my question. What should we be doing in response to what's happening in the world?
Bueno, en este momento,
In this moment,
México
Mexico
acaba de empezar con un nuevo presidente
just started with a president
que está enganchado con esa línea.
that is he's attached to the communism.
Ahora,
Yes, now it
I
changed.
need both. I need both. En cualquier forma, es una fuerte pregunta
It's a very strong, hard question
porque para que nosotros seamos una solución,
because for us to be a response, a
necesitamos
solution,
visión
we need vision.
y
to have
necesitamos entender
And we have to understand
lo que representa
what represents
para nuestras naciones
for our nations
cambiar a esta condición.
to change this condition.
Pero hay algo mucho más sencillo,
But it's something else simple thing.
que cuando la iglesia de Cristo
That when the Church of Christ
entiende su papel
understand
en la tierra,
his place on the earth,
y es establecer
that
el
is
trono de Dios.
to establish the throne of God.
Y no estoy hablando de religión,
And it's not about religion.
estoy hablando de establecer el trono de
I'm
Dios.
talking about to establish the kingdom.
Y eso significa el nombre de Israel cuando el Señor le cambió a Jacob.
And that means also when God changed Jacob's name to Israel.
El significado es
The meaning is
uno que gobierna como Dios.
one that governs as God.
Y ese nombre,
And that name,
Israel,
Israel,
es un tipo de la iglesia.
is a type of the church.
Y Dios nos está llamando como iglesia
And God is calling us as
a
church
que aprendamos
to learn
y entendamos
and understand
gobierno divino
divine government
en nuestra propia vida
in our own lives
y conozcamos el corazón de Dios
and to know God's heart
y nos movamos en esa forma.
and moved in that way.
Pareciera que fuera tonto
It looks silly
como débil,
or weak,
pero no lo es.
but it's not.
Establecer la justicia de Dios
Established God's justice
no es un decreto que un gobernante hace.
is not a decree that a governor makes. It's not a.
Es establecer
It's established
el cómo Dios quiere que lo hagamos.
the how God wants us,
Y es
us to do it.
impresionante
And it's very impressive
cuando un grupo como nosotros
when a group as ours
camina en esa línea,
walks in that direction.
cómo puede extenderse
How things can be extended.
el orden de Dios
How the order,
Y
God's
su
order can
gobierno
be extended and established in His
en una
government,
comunidad,
in a community,
en una ciudad,
in a city,
en una nación.
in a nation.
Y es lo que estamos experimentando.
And that's what we are experiencing.
La iglesia
The church
ha sido forzada
has been forced
a salir de la zona de confort
to come out the comfort zone,
para extender
to extend
ese principio de orden
that order, principle,
y de gobierno divino.
and divine government.
¿Y dónde comienza?
And where it starts,
La Biblia dice
the Bible says
que empieza por la casa.
that starts in the house.
Y si la iglesia
And if the church
entra,
come in,
el resto va a entrar.
the rest will come in.
Si nosotros creemos que es uno a
If
uno,
we believe that is
No,
one
no,
by
no.
one, no, it's not.
cuando nosotros nos conectamos
When we connect,
sentados a la diestra del Padre con Cristo,
being sitting on a side, the right side of with Christ,
eso afecta al mundo espiritual.
that affects the spiritual
Y lo que controla a
Movement.
esas
and
personas
what controls those people
y a esos movimientos
and
comunistas
those communist
son
movements
espíritus demoníacos.
that are demonic
Y cuando
spirits,
demonic
spirits.
spirits, y cuando la iglesia toma su lugar,
and when the church takes its place,
puede confrontar esos dioses
can confront those spirits,
Gods.
those gods,
y puede atarlos,
and
bound them.
and can
Bind
bind it.
Y ellos no pueden tener poder sobre la
And
gente.
they cannot have power or influence over the people.
Nosotros podemos hacer algo en lo natural.
We can do things in the natural,
Podemos estar en lugares de gobierno,
being in government places,
pero nunca será igual
but never will be the same
cuando la iglesia
when the church
tome su lugar
take his place
en la diestra del Padre con
at the
Cristo.
right side, sitting, governing with God.
Porque allí
Because there,
tú estás atando directamente
we are binding directly
esos poderes demoníacos.
those demonic powers.
Y cuando empieces a predicar,
And when you start preaching,
entonces las nuevas generaciones van a entrar.
then the new generations will
Por
come
eso
in.
nosotros necesitamos
That's why we need
que nuestros jóvenes
that our young people
tengan un encuentro real con el Señor.
have a true encounter with God,
Porque ellos
because them
van a ser una fuerza
are going to be a force
para extender esa
to
verdad.
extend that truth.
Pero ellos
But them
nos necesitan a
need
nosotros.
us,
Ellos lo necesitan a usted
and they need you
y a usted.
and you,
Porque es la madurez
because it's the
que el
maturity
Señor ha puesto en
Mature.
nosotros
that God has set in us,
y la fuerza de ellos
and the strength of them,
lo que va a hacer que en lo natural las
What is-
cosas cambien.
what is going to become things in the natural to change.
Anybody else got a question?
I have a question. the interim president, do you see him, like we see Trump as being put there by God? He's not a perfect person, obviously, but he is who God chose for the moment. Do you see that in your interim president? The one that,
¿Ves lo que ha ocurrido en Trump, que no, aunque no es perfecta, fue escogido por Dios? ¿Lo ves en este presidente interino?
yeah? And does he have any of the confidence of the military or the law enforcement in Venezuela, or is he sort of on his own?
¿Qué lo respalda? ¿Él lo respalda las autoridades?
No. A él lo respalda la Asamblea Nacional.
He's been,
Morín, allá.
he's been backed up by the National Assembly.
Es para que se grabe, Morín.
He's been backed up by the National Assembly, more than the military forces.
Y por la nación, por el pueblo.
For the nation.
Pégate al micrófono.
Is he a man of faith, or is he
Es decir, un hombre.
No, es un hombre que cree en Dios
He's a man that believes in God.
y probablemente no como nosotros de la iglesia,
Probably not as we do right here at church.
pero es un hombre con temor a Dios.
But is a man with fear of God.
No hemos tenido el tiempo de esos temas.
We haven't had the time for these specific topics.
En un
Right
momento
now.
de crisis como este,
In a moment of crisis, as the one we're living right now,
lo que nosotros vemos la nación
what we are looking right now in the
y que es
nation,
algo que progresivamente va a tomar al gobierno comunista.
that is something that is going to pick to the progressive of the communism.
Ellos buscan mucho la brujería.
They worked aside with witchcraft,
Y ellos creen en todo tipo de
and they believe
religiones,
in every kind of dark
pero de
religion,
ocultismo.
of darkness.
Y aunque a veces ellos dicen Dios,
And when sometimes they even say God,
realmente no lo son.
they don't really are not meaning the God we know.
One of the other issues that we are facing as a nation is that many Christians in the church believe that socialism is what God wants to have in the nation. They believe that it is a biblical model, and how can we help the church in America
Eso lo entiendo.
to understand the truth?
La fuerza del socialismo
The strength of socialism
es rebelión.
is rebellion.
Y la rebelión
And rebellion
es como un pecado de adivinación para Dios.
is as a sin of a divination.
Y cuando nosotros conocemos la escritura,
And when we know the scripture,
vamos a saber
we're going to know
cómo diferenciar
how to differentiate
cuando algo es de Dios y cuando no.
when something is God's issue or not.
Una de las partes fuertes del socialismo
One of the strongest part of
es
socialism
el humanismo.
is humanism.
Ellos hacen como que aman al ser humano,
They act like they loved the human being,
pero realmente no es así.
but it really is not like that.
Es un disfraz.
It's like
Ese más
like a max.
es una máscara. Ajá. y todo lo que es basado en rebelión
And everything that is based on
es
rebellion
anti Dios.
is anti-God, anti-Christ.
Estuve leyendo sobre dos mujeres
I was reading about 2 women
que en este momento son parte del Congreso aquí en la Nación.
that right now they are part of the Congress.
Una de ellas es musulmana,
One of them is Muslim,
de origen somalí,
de
de Somalia.
Somali,
De Somalia.
the
Y
Somalia,
la otra es de origen puertorriqueño.
and the other one is Puerto Rican.
Y si tú lees su biografía,
And if you read their biography,
te vas a dar cuenta que hay mucha rebelión en ellas.
you will notice that there is a lot of rebellion in their
La
lives.
musulmana
The Muslim
perdió a su mamá a los 8
lost
años
her mom when she was 8.
y estuvo viviendo en un refugio por 4
And
años.
she lived in a refugee for 8 years,
Por 4 años.
for 4 years.
Y cuando ellos se vienen aquí,
And when they came here, the United
sus
States,
familiares, todos tenían esa raíz de rebelión.
her family had this root of rebellion.
Y ella ha estado dispuesta a hacerlo todo
And she has been
gratis.
capable to do
Gratis.
all this free.
Y ahora
And now
ella usó el sistema de educación
she
americano,
used the American education system,
para ir a la universidad,
to go to the college,
pero adicionó
but she
un trabajo voluntario
additioned to this voluntary work
para conformar organizaciones
to create organizations
que son socialistas en su raíz.
that they're socialist in their root.
Y la puertorriqueña,
And the Puerto Rican,
ella nació en el Bronx
she was born in the Bronx,
y ella ha estado trabajando haciendo lo mismo.
and she has worked doing the same.
Y ahora se han juntado
And now together
con un nuevo partido
with a new party,
que no se ha definido como
political
tal,
party that hasn't been defined as established party,
pero que está repartido entre los demócratas,
but is
está repartido
divided
entre demócratas y
in between
republicanos.
Democrats and
Y ellos no están interesados
and they are not interested,
en ser un partido grande,
and they are in being a big party,
pero ellos están caminando por
but they are
debajo.
just walking.
¿Y
and
qué es
going.
lo que están llevando?
And what are they taking?
Rebelión
Rebellion
y humanismo.
and humanism.
Y una de las cosas que ya tienen en su papel
And one thing that they have in their document
es que se establezca un salario mínimo para todos.
is to establish a minimum wage for everybody.
Y hay gente que no trabaja.
And there is people that don't work.
La Biblia dice
The Bible says
que el que no trabaja
that the one who doesn't work
no coma.
don't eat.
Entonces ellos satanizan
So
al que
they
trabaja y tiene. Ellos lo hacen como un diablo.
They has become this statement satanic, a satanic statement.
El que trabaja y tiene.
That the one that works and have,
Y ese síndrome
and that syndrome
de Robin Hood,
of Robin Hood,
ajá, que a propósito, by the way,
that by the way,
era un ladrón,
it was a thief,
porque quitaba al que tenía
because it stole to
para
the ones who
darle al que
have,
no tiene,
to give to the poor or the ones who didn't have,
not the poor, del que no tiene.
to the one that did not have.
Y muchas veces el que no tiene
And most of the time, the one that doesn't have
no quiere trabajar,
is because he doesn't want to work,
porque es mucho más fácil
because it's easier
ir a recibir el dinero del gobierno
go to the government and receive money
y hacer lo que ellos le mandan hacer,
and do whatever they order,
incluyendo
To do.
matar personas.
including to kill people.
Will? Any more questions? No questions? All right. Was this great or what? I thought it was very informative. Yeah. Thank you. I started to join the translation team here. When I was in Africa, I had 5 interpreters. I wore out 5 of them. They couldn't keep up with me. So, well, we're going to go ahead and close in prayer, and then we'll be dismissed. Thank y'all for coming out and taking the Saturday to hear our guest and for us to get educated and be in prayer for Venezuela, but also for our nation. And we've got some work to do, don't we? But with our God, all things are possible. So, why don't we, Pastor David, if you don't mind, I'll tell you what, I'm going to change my mind. Why don't you pray in Espanol and close it, and then and I'll interpret. No. Let's all stand, please.
Señor, te damos gracias por esta oportunidad, Señor, de saber, Señor, que tomamos muchas cosas aquí en los Estados Unidos for granted, Lord. Señor, perdónanos porque tenemos esta mentalidad que aquí no puede pasar, Señor. Abre nuestros ojos como una iglesia, Señor. Ábrenos los ojos, Señor, para que podemos ver, podemos sentir que tú nos estás usando en esta iglesia para hacer lo que debemos de hacer con esos jóvenes, ayudarles a que sepan la verdad de ti, Señor, para que este mundo cambie, Señor. Tú sabes que es lo que nosotros pedimos en esta iglesia, Señor, que la juventud sea lo que tú quieras que ellos sean, Señor, para que ellos abran los ojos para lo que está pasando en este mundo, Señor. Ayúdanos como esta iglesia, Señor, para ayudar a nuestra comunidad, a la ciudad y a a Texas, a todo el mundo, Señor. Que seanos una root aquí en este oportunidad que tenemos en esta iglesia, Señor. Ayúdanos, Señor. Y te pido, Señor, por Ogla, Señor, que tú la ayudes a hacer lo que ella necesita que hacer en su país, Señor. Lo que tú le has mandado, Señor. Pido tu protección sobre ella y su familia, Señor. Y te pedimos, Señor, que nos ayudes aquí en esta iglesia a hacer lo que tú nos has llamado a hacer. Y te pedimos que estés con nosotros el resto de este día. En el nombre de Cristo Jesús. Amén. I'm sorry, I got it.
Yes, ma'am.